Seryo kami bigla. Tapos sinabi niya, ano ba talaga gusto mo? Flight attendant or ground crew? Sabi niya. She will use it as a...
For me, to grow.
Bro, ano yung answer mo?
Bata pa kasi ako.
Sabi ni HR, pag nakapasa, balik ng Monday. Sabi niya, okay,
I'll see you on Monday. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our agenda today is we're going to the agency. So, it's been a week now since we're trying to apply for a job here. There is no international airline hiring yet, so that means we need to survive here in Manila. So now we're going to the agency that was connected to our institutions before. We might, can help. So now, time right now is 6:30 in the morning. I woke up at around 3 in the morning today to do some research, and of course, I'm not really familiar with the places here in Manila. For everyone's knowledge, I just got here like 1 month ago. I'm still trying to familiarize everything. I'm very bad with location, so that means Google Map is my only friend, because my friend Doa, she's also not familiar here, so really work on our own to get to know places. So see you guys. We'll update you now. I'll be doing my makeup. Yeah, we're gonna leave in a few minutes. Okay.
Girl, yung mukha ko. We're waiting for the car. He's here. That red one. It's so hot. It's so hot. So, outfit for today is left one. Opo. Wish me luck though if my heels will last the whole day.
Oh, hindi nakapasok po yung mga jeep. Okay naman po, sana po yung
Ah, yeah, sure. So parang book talaga papuntang airport, no?
Opo, ma'am. Kasi meron naman jeep dun, ma'am. Kaso parang lalakarin niyo pa siya. Papunta dun.
Oh, tapos nag-heels ka. Ganda! Ayun, nag-book na ako eh.
Ano po, 5:30 pa, 5:30. In-drive po, sir.
Kaya pala, paglabas mo ng airport, maraming mga joyride doon, no?
Opo, ma'am. Ayun, mas agad na, ma'am. Joyride na lang.
Joyride. Taga dito ka lang?
Opo.
Dahil sa Western din?
Opo. Pero yung ano namin, ma'am, pinagsama na po.
Ah,
Sa
pinasama.
address namin. Kasi yung mga pabahay po kasi sa mga sundalo, pinagsama po kasi yung mga address. Dinadaanan po ng mga tricycle na kulay yellow. Sa Western po kasi kulay blue po siya. Yung sa amin po kulay yellow.
So yung sasakyan papuntang bus,
Orange naman po.
orange,
Yung sa may
which is located sa
Champaha.
Champa.
Kasama rin po siya ng Champaha. Dapat po kanina pa po ako lalabas. Mga 6 po ganun. Kasi alis po ako ng web.
Yeah.
Tapos may arkila rin po ako mamayang alauna. Ayun. Kaso anong oras na nagising. Siguro mga 2 balik lang po kami. Ganun lang po. Kasi pag gawin po natin dun mga 10 or 10:30 na eh. Tapos pagbalik ko, na po ako pagbalik.
Here at Binoma Mall. Now we're waiting for Sai. Ang bait ng driver, girl. That's so nice. I said the driver is nice. We talk a lot.
Yeah, you guys were like, what are they even talking about? Perfect. Can you go leave me tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yeah, ask him,
Alright.
can you go to Bulacan? Is your service like allowed to go to Bulacan?
Ah,
Are you
oh my
allowed
gosh.
to Bulacan?
Yeah, maybe. You can book him.
So you can go leave me in the afternoon in Bulacan.
Alright. I think depends on, we're just based on the app and you pay him.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll do that.
We have a new friend.
That is a
Hi.
live in the neighborhood.
Western Bikutan to. Hello po. Saan po dito pwede magpapaprint?
Dito, akit kayo, escalator, kaliwa, diretso. Pagdating sa...
Diretso. Straight. Is escalator. Oh my God. This is so bad.
And then put it in.
Sleeper. Kala mo ah. Wala. Sai is here. Parking na lang. So wala. Wala silang print, guys. Wala silang printing. It says earrings is 79.
So much books, guys.
Girl.
Look at you!
Oh! You look so... Oh my gosh. Girl. She looks so elegant. She looks so professional.
Professional as frick.
Hello, Mark. We miss you. Hello, Mark. Mark, we miss you. You're the missing person here, you know. We're complete now. Oh, yeah, Mark. We miss you, Marky.
Us.
Okay, but the question is, where should we eat?
The famous line, ikaw bahala.
Ayan. Gusto ko yung mga tanungan niya. Sabi niya na una, she said before, I miss the, what's for dinner?
Yes, what's for dinner? What's for
What's
dinner?
for dinner?
What are you getting?
What are you getting? It's like, I got the same. Okay, alright. So, uuwi na naman ng McDonald's. You don't like McDonald's? But you like coffee.
Coffee. It's coffee because I'm coffee myself.
Okay. Well, so Spider-Man is testing her.
Testing my patience.
Percentage. But kapag lang, I'm serious lang.
Ganda.
Mag-MRT kami, guys.
Susubukan na yung pagiging bida-bida ko, B.
Kung saan kami pupunta, pero kailangan dito eh. Teka lang. I'll ask. Where are we going? Top. Top? Okay. We are here.
We're going up.
Mali. Mali yung nasakyan. Mali pala, sa kabila pala.
Muna bago makasakay ng MRT. Girl, kaya pa, girl?
I'm tired.
Naka-heels yan siya. Buti na lang ako, Buti na lang ako, Girl Scout. Maganda. 40s, it's not enough. Parang... I'll give you later.
How much do you
I don't know, 40?
Ah,
Pwede
Ano ka ngayon, B? Di ba maganda na yung buhay after college? Super ganda.
Super ganda. Nagtitrend ka ng araw.
Sabi ko nung una, sana nag-asawa na lang ako ng NNM.
Ako kasama lang ng cheer.
Hindi yung NNM, para pension agad. Wala yung NNM, marami pa. Ay, goal. Para di na ako makakaranas ng ganito. Sabihin ko na lang, Daddy, can you get me a car?
Ay, gusto ko madala sa snow.
Okay. Gusto ko din sana madala sa snow. Yan yung buhay ko doon. Mag-alagal ako na anak namin. Sorry, Papa.
Swimming
Swimsuit lang.
May mga tea time with Mamiga.
Oo. Di na ako maka-experience ng ganito. Second agency namin to. Alam pa namin dito yung heels. Sila na yung heels niya. The Y started already. Welcome to Philippines! Ay! Hello po! Welcome to Philippines. This is how Philippines work. Okay, are you surprised? You're surprised? You're tired?
I'm tired. I'm not surprised.
Hello po. Update. Give them update what happened.
We had
In-interview mo.
we'll give you update on Monday.
In-interview kami bigla. Hindi kami prepared.
Yes. Don't say stepping stone, guys.
Tapos sinabi niya, ano ba talaga gusto mo? Flight attendant or ground crew? Sabi niya. She will use it as a
For me to grow.
grow. Ano yung answer mo?
Bata pa kasi ako.
Sabi ni HR, pag nakapasa, balik ng Monday. Sabi niya, okay
I'll
ma'am.
see you on Monday.
Visit ka.
We should do that, guys.
Umuulan, girl. It's been raining in Manila. Di kita tawag dyan, resilience. Ang init, tapos umuulan, resilience.
Oo.
Opo. Pauwi na kami, guys. Pauwi na.
What if it comes and stops at the entrance?
What did you think?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
What if the driver comes and he's gonna come in the entrance over there?
Okay, nagbubuk kami ng car.
What?
Ay, umuulan. Umuulan. Ang init-init, tapos ngayon umuulan. To extend her visa, so we will go with her. Tapos we will have dinner na din. We will have dinner together. Before you go home, love. Before you go home,
need to extend my freaking visa.
just
Or else I'm gonna get deported.
book a car. Sure, go inside. Opo. We're going to extend those.
I'm hungry. Can we eat the fries?
Oh, where's the pizza? Papakan ko na itong chicken. Yung cabin crew. Ha? Flight na yung cabin crew. That time, hindi mo na sasabihin stepping stone kasi yun na talaga.
Or I did say that 3 years.
That's good. Kasi bumawi. Tapos ako,
Daddy, magiging palamunin na lang po ako. Send it to him. Daddy, magiging palamunin na lang po ako. Pwede po ba yun?
ayoko na maging
Nabigutom.
Masaya siya naman, masaya siya gutom dahil.
Mention just censor it.
Huh?
Censor.
Ayan, sensor. Gutom.
Nakakagutom ko mag-apply.
Nagutom mag-apply, tapos maliit yung sahod. Tangek. Ayoko na. Hi guys! So update before we end this vlog. She already changed.
Change out.
So everything's okay. Everything's done today. So already extended her visa. So now we're going to eat something nice. Treat ourselves, right?
Kindatanti mag-yurt.
She's such a baby girl. Okay, so it's time to say bye.
Bye,
guys. See you on the next vlog.